this video, I will show you how to add money to my Wise balance. So in here you can see my total balance has around 10 euro, and down below here you will have all of your accounts. So I have a euro account, a Arabian dirham account, and a US dollar account, and these are all individual accounts. And for all of these accounts, you can add money to your balance. You can also add more accounts for more currencies, but I'm just going to show you how this works with euro. And you see that I already have 10 euro, but let's say that I want to add more money to my balance to, for example, use it with my Wise digital card or my physical card. Then what you're going to do is the following. You're going to click on your account that you want to add your money for. And then in here, you need to click on add and this plus icon. And then you need to enter the amount that you want to add. So let's say we want to add 12 euro. Then we're going to click on done. And then we can select if you want to pay in euro or in a different currency. And then you can select your payment method. So you can just go ahead and select bank transfer, debit card, simple bank transfer, credit card, or Apple Pay. I'm just going with Ideal. And then you need to click on continue. And then you will be redirected to paying for this transfer. And once you do that, Wise will wait for the money to be there. And once it is, then your balance will be increased. And that is how you add money to your Wise balance. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.